that point, I think it was a few months in, I just started talking to a few of the older guys I knew from college, and who had made their ways in some of these careers, and trying to understand if banking would be something for me, or some of the other positions I was considering. I think I was open to consulting at the time as well. So really was just trying to understand what would be my next step. And so
Do you feel like you didn't gain that perspective? Like, do you feel like the reality of actually being out of school and working kind of all of a sudden woke you up? Because it sounds like there was a little bit of floating. I mean, I was the same way, but in college, there's a little bit of like just floating through. And then like, boom, you're in the job and you're like, wait a second, is this what I want to do for the rest of my life? There's nothing stopping you from doing these conversations earlier, right?
no, nothing at all. And that's why I'd kind of advise anybody who's curious about anything, not just banking, but to
Mm-hmm.
have conversations early, talk to as many people as they can,